Do you want to know how to check your login activity on Snapchat? In this video, I will show you how to check your login activity on Snapchat. I'll walk you through all the steps, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Snapchat app and then tap on the Bitmoji profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are in the settings, tap Two-Factor Authentication and make sure you've enabled Two-Factor Authentication on your Snapchat account. After that, tap Forget Devices. And now you'll be able to see a list of all the devices that have access to your Snapchat account. These devices are logged into your Snapchat account. In my case, there is only one device, which is the iPhone that I am using right now. If you want to remove a logged-in device, just tap the X icon next to the device that you want to remove, and then tap Yes. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.